Hello Karnataka CET aspirants. I hope all of you are doing fantastic and preparing well for your upcoming exams. Well, do you know that colleges like MSRIT, BMS, PES, RV College and Nitte Meenakshi are not only the top colleges of Karnataka but also the best colleges of entire India. Many students have the dream to get into these colleges. But is it really that easy? Of course not, right? Because these are the top colleges of the country. But let me tell you a top secret here. Our Deeksha Vedantu students have actually turned this dream into a reality. Just like in 2023, this year too, Deeksha Vedantu students have secured an exceptional result in KCET exam. Our students have got top ranks like rank 33, 35, 47, 89, 112, 142 and 164. In fact, 60 ranks in top 500 and more than 100 ranks in top 1000 were from Deeksha Vedantu students. This year alone, over 1265 Deeksha Vedantu students have secured seats in the top colleges by KCET and COMEDK exams. So, how do we make it happen? It's very simple. Deeksha Vedantu brings to you Lakshya KCET Crash Course 2025, a 21-day fully residential and day scholar program specially designed to help you to achieve your dreams. So let me take you through what this crash course offers. Complete syllabus coverage for physics, chemistry and maths both from grade 11 and 12. Daily practice questions including part test and full length test designed in the KCET pattern. With every test, you will build confidence to face any question from KCET exam. Teacher monitored study hours and one-on-one doubt sessions after every class will wipe out all your doubts. Customized study materials along with special focus on previous year questions from KCET is an integral part of this course. All this will ensure that you are completely prepared for the big day of KCET exam. At Deeksha Vedantu, your dream is not only nurtured but also celebrated. Our focus is not only on academics but also to empower you to face the exam with full confidence. Your journey to success starts here. Scan the QR code or click on the link given below to register right now. Our team will contact you and give you all the required details. And do not miss out on this. Early birds have got a very special discount. With Deeksha Vedantu's Lakshya KCET Crash Course 2025, success is not just a possibility but it's a promise from us. Let us help you to make your dreams into a reality.